Good morning, my dear student friends. I am Dr. A. Lakshmana, Associate Professor of Mathematics. Today we are going to discuss about BTech and first BSc Mathematics. Topic is differential equation. It is very useful to BTech for GATE examination and BSc for HUA entrance examination only. In the previous class already we discussed order of differential equation, degree of differential equation, formation of differential equation and variable separable method. Now today we will discuss about homogeneous differential equation. What is homogeneous differential? Before that, homogeneous function only. So definition: a function f of x comma y is said to be a homogeneous function if there exists a real number k belongs to R such that f of kx ky is equal to k power n into f of xy. Such function f of xy is called homogeneous function only. Example f of x comma y is equal to x square plus y square by 2xy is called a homogeneous function only. So how can easy to check homogeneous or not? So the degree of x is 2, the degree of y is 2. Completely that numerator degree must be 2 only. Denominator, the degree 1 and degree 1 is into is there, plus 2 is there. Therefore numerator degree and denominator degree same. Therefore it became a homogeneous only. So and then homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous differential equation means just f of x replaced only dv by dx is nothing but homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous differential equation. An equation of the form dy by dx is equal to f of y by x or dx by dy is equal to f of x by y. This is called a homogeneous differential equation. That means how we can write a definition: an equation of the form dy by dx is equal to f of y by x, or an equation of the form dy by dx is equal to f of y by x, or dx by dy is equal to f of x by y. dy by dx is equal to f of y by x or x by y. This is first form and this is second form. Suppose our equation always in the first form, how we can solve this one only? Simply is known as we cannot be separate the variables, because f of y by x we can't separate the variable of y by x. That means put y by x is equal to v. That means y is equal to vx. Implies derivative with respect dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx only. So you put the value, therefore v plus x into dv by dx is equal to f of v, implies x into dv by dx is equal to f of v minus v only. So this is completely variable separable form. How we are writing 1 by f of v minus v integral dv is equal to 1 by x dx is a general solution of the first form only. The general solution of the first form. So that is working method is, suppose the equation is always in the form of first one dv by dx is f of y by x, then immediately put y is equal to vx and applying a derivative dv by dx is equal to v plus x and uv method only, v plus x into dv by dx. That means replace the value dv by dx replaced on this one and y by x replaced v only. That is x into dv by dx is equal to f of v minus v. That simply means separate the variable and integrating, we getting a general solution of the given equation only. A similar case of dx by dy is equal to f of x by y. So here in this case put x is equal to vy. So we can approach the same procedure for the above. Now we can solve the problem on the first one and second one. How we can solve the problem first one and second one? By using a homogeneous differential equation. So solve the homogeneous difference, solve the differential equation. Just asking only solve the differential equation. The first one, write the given problem dy by dx is equal to y. So dy by dx is equal to y by x plus tan of y by x. Dy by x is equal to y by x plus tan of y by x. This is treated as immediately 1. So the equation is it first form or second form? What is the first form? Dy by dx is f of y by x. So clearly one is homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous differential equation only. So put y is equal to vx. Differentiating with respect to x, that means dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx only. So this is by using this one. Therefore v plus x into dv by dx is equal to v plus tan of v. So this v cancel only. Immediately x dv by dx is equal to tan of v. Separating the variables and integrating. So that is 1 by tan v dv is equal to 1 by x dx. So integral 1 by tan v means integral of cot v dv is equal to log x plus log c. Constant can be written as log c. That is what about a cot means cos by sin. Cos by sin means the integration is log of sin. Sin v is equal to log a plus log b log ab log xc. So this one and this one cancel only. The final solution is sin of v means y by x is equal to xc. This is the final solution of our problem only. So final solution of our problem only. Coming to the second problem. From the first one we can write immediately dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to, either we can write x by dy or dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to what we are writing, that is x square y by x cube plus y cube only. This is 1. Is it homogeneous or not? Well, degree of the numerator is always 3. Denominator degree always 3. Therefore, is clearly homogeneous. Clearly, dy by dx is equal to x square y by x cube plus y cube. The degree of numerator is x power 3 into y power 1 means that adding only x power. The total degree is 3, numerator, denominator also 3. Therefore, it becomes homogeneous. Clearly, 1 is homogeneous. Homogeneous differential equation. So it is the first model only. Therefore, put y is equal to vx implies dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx only. Therefore v plus x into dv by dx is equal to just x square. We replaced only vx by x cube plus v cube x cube only. So x is common, for x cube is common. That is v by 1 plus v cube only. 1 plus v cube only. That implies x dv by dx. That implies x dv by dx is equal to v by 1 plus v cube minus v. Take LCM. 1 v minus v power 4 by 1 plus v cube only. This is cancel only. The final value is minus v power 4 by 1 plus v cube only. So therefore completely x dv by dx is equal to minus v power 4 by 1 plus v cube. This is the final value of this one. Again is separating the variables. Separating the variables means that is 1 plus v cube by v power 4 dv is equal to, the minus is there, minus 1 by x dx, and integrating. So separating the variables and integrating. Separating the separating the variables and integrating. So we get this only. That implies this can be written as 1 by v power 4 means v power minus 4 integral dv plus what about this v cube by v power 4 means 1 by v dv. So take my right side only, 1 by x dx is equal to c only. V power 4 minus integration is what is v power minus 4? So v power minus 4 means v power minus 4 plus 3 plus 1 by minus 4 plus 1. That is x power n, integration is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. That is v power minus 3 by minus 3 plus log v plus log x is equal to c only. That is, whatever this is, v power means 1 minus of 1 by 3v cube plus log ab log vx is equal to c only. So v means, what is v? v means yx. That is y by x. Right as y by x means x cube by minus 3y cube plus log of y is equal to c1. This is the final solution of our problem only. So therefore, how we can solve the homogeneous differential equation? Already we seen two problems. We done two problems only. Therefore, by the procedure we have to solve several problems on the homogeneous differential equation. So thank you very much for good listening.